What is up, guys? Today we are doing a makeup video and I'm by no means a makeup artist. No, definitely not. We have been talking about makeup on our channels for about a week now. We thought it'd be really good to kind of just show you what I use. By the way, can I just apologise for my hair? It's literally like the biggest haystack. I think I look like Cousin It. I'm not a massive makeup user. I kind of find my things that I like and I stick to them. So some of this stuff I've been using for quite a while. Some of it's newer because since being vegan, I've been trying to find vegan replacements. But yeah, if you're unsure if a product is vegan, a few ingredients to look out for are guanine, made from fish scales. We've got lanolin, sheep's wool. Also sometimes beetles are in there by the name of carmine or cochineal, honey and beeswax. Beeswax also takes on the name cera alba. That can be found in loads of stuff, lipsticks, that one. What is it? What is this? Eyebrow stuff. Enough of me chatting away there. Because Ben's not here, I feel like I can chat. First things first, I am gonna start with some foundation. So I don't really wear foundation very often. This is literally if we're filming, so I don't look like a ghost like this. Or if we're going to a meeting and I want to impress and I'll be like, I've got the glow. So I'm using Bare Minerals Pro Foundation. It's got SPF 20 in it. What shade is this? Ah, Sable 21. About 80% of Bare Minerals products are vegan. I was talking to the lady at the counter. She said they're working on their formulas so that everything's vegan, but it's mainly things with high pigment. So like a lot of lipsticks and lip glosses aren't vegan, so watch out for those. There's quite a lot of information on the internet. Ethical Elephant is a great site as well, has loads of information. So I'm just gonna go for one small pump. A little bit of this goes a long way. So I've never really gotten into using like sponges or anything like that. Although recently I have been thinking maybe I should go for a sponge. I really like just using my fingers and kind of really being in control of where that foundation goes. I've got quite greasy and oily skin, so I really like the lightness of this. It dries really matte and it's not sticky at all. It's just like nice and smooth and dry. After foundation, then I reach for bronzer. This is by PHB. They are a vegan and cruelty-free brand, and on the back it says 100% natural, vegan, cruelty-free, halal, gluten-free, paraben-free, no nanoparticles, no talcum fillers, no mineral oils, no GM ingredients. So this is a brand that is definitely vegan and cruelty-free. Just going in for a touch of glow. I go up here sometimes. I'm just gonna glow up a little bit, just a little bit of glow. And to be honest, I've never contoured, but kind of pretend to contour with this. Get that slim nose going. Look at that. I can see already the improvements are drastic. Very subtle, could be natural, but definitely not. Next up, we are going in with a blush. This blush comes in a metal pot. It's a no plastic, reduced waste product, which is fantastic. I think it's called Lunar Beauty. I bought it on Etsy. I got this. I also got a lipstick that came in cardboard. This product, approach with caution. Ooh. I've had many a disaster with this. There's powder all over my hand already. I find the best thing to do is literally just dab the lid. So I'm gonna put this down slowly, nice and easy. No harm intended. So I'm just gonna dab the lid a tiny bit. A little goes a very long way. Just on the apples of my cheeks. I live by the philosophy, blusher is the way to a happy heart. A little bit of blush, a little bit of colour on the cheeks, and you're looking fresh as a daisy. Then we have a little touch of blusher just to warm up those cheeks. Like I've been on a walk in the countryside in England, darling, and then we went for a brisk walk with the dogs. But Charles, he said, darling, you're looking very flushed. What are you up to? Next up, we have a little bit of highlighting going on from the brand Zao. Zao is a fantastic brand. This packaging is made of bamboo. Bonus, their stuff is refillable. Not sure how it works, haven't refilled anything yet. There's a metallic thing in here that you pull out and then they send you a refill, I guess. Here is a little bit of glow. I don't know if you're meant to do this, but I'm literally using the same brush as I used for my bronzer and blusher. Comment below if you think I should get another brush for this, because I have no idea. With this, I'm just highlighting my cheekbone and also a little bit down my nose for the glow, for the glow, for the glow, glow, glow. stuff everywhere. I'm looking for eyeliner. Eyeliner! Next up, Kat Von D eyeliner. Kat Von D is a fully vegan and cruelty-free makeup brand. I used to always use pencil eyeliners, but then this came. I really like it. It's really easy to put on. It's really easy to hold. It's not too thin. You don't have to keep going over and over in it. So perfect. Time for eyeliner. This might be a little bit difficult. Oh, I think I got this. Think I got this. Right, so that's one eye done. I kind of start about halfway in and then just to the end there, a little flick at the end. There's the other eye. That is the Kat Von D eyeliner that I absolutely love. And that came in a Kinda Beauty subscription beauty box. I got this. I also got this lip gloss in that box. I really don't know who this is by, you know. It's 24 Carat Lips is the colour. Oh, by Ambreche Cosmetics. So next up, it is time for mascara. I struggled for ages to find a good vegan and cruelty-free mascara. A lot of them are really thin, but seriously, this PHB one has changed my life. I love it. So mascara for me is one of the key makeup products that I always have. If I'm having a day where I don't want to wear too much makeup, I want to wear a little bit, I literally will just go for a little bit of bronzer, maybe some blusher, and then mascara. And quite often mascara just on my top lashes. Yeah, I don't know why, I just quite like that. I feel like it looks a little bit more natural just doing the top lashes because the bottom lashes can get quite thick quite quickly. So I started wearing makeup probably when I was around 14 years old. I used to have really bad acne. I used to not want to leave the house without wearing makeup. I was always so embarrassed of my skin. And I remember getting my hair and being like walking around like this and being on the bus like, oh my god, everyone's looking at my skin, and just trying to hide from it. Wore makeup quite a lot as a kid and at school, and we weren't really allowed to wear makeup. And I remember this one time, one of our teachers, she used to stop us in the corridor if she saw anything wrong with us. And she said to me, Roxana Pope, your makeup's about as subtle as an air raid shelter. What does that mean? Air raid shelters are pretty subtle. Does that mean my makeup's subtle? And so from a very young age, I wore a lot of makeup to cover my skin, and literally only in the last like 6-7 years, I've stopped wearing it and felt comfortable leaving the house, even to go to newsagent without wearing any makeup, and it's actually quite liberating. It's funny how quickly things change, because all it took was like 2 weeks of not wearing makeup. I remember turning up to work without makeup and being like, oh my god, this is really embarrassing. Everyone's just gonna think I'm really tired or like ill. But quite quickly I got used to that feeling of my skin being clean and fresh and nothing on it. And now when I do put makeup on, I'm like, whoa, this is such a weird concept. Like, why do we paint our faces? Not saying that I'm gonna stop doing it anytime soon, but it's a bit of a weird thing to do, isn't it? So one thing I actually like to do is push my mascara into the crease of my eye. So it looks like I've got a little bit of eyeliner on the bottom, but I haven't really. It's just the mascara. Mascara and eyeliner on both eyes. My lips are feeling quite dry at the moment, so I'm going to go in with a lip gloss. I've got another Bare Minerals Gen Nude. So this is one of their vegan ones. But again, if you go to a counter, make sure you check which ones are vegan, because they're not all vegan. Yeah, this is a really nice nude colour, quite subtle, quite soft. This lip gloss is so thick. Look at it, it's so gloopy. Get a bit of that on. And just really spread that out. Just gives you a little subtle bit of colour, but nothing too overpowering, so it's kind of nice for every day. And then that brings me to the final thing. So I've also got Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. This is just like a clear, transparent powder that keeps away shine. I'm just going to get my PHB Beauty brush, and this brush is so soft, seriously, it is amazing. Just going to dab in the T-zone, make sure it doesn't get too oily. There we have it. One thing I haven't done is eyebrows. These are a little bit of a mess. I need to get them threaded. It's been quite a while. But I have quite thick eyebrows, so I tend not to do too much to them anyway. Just a good thread. So that is makeup complete. So I'm just going to finish off with a bit of a afro comb. Get this hair big. Bigger is better. All done. This is the finished look. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you've got any recommendations of beauty brands, definitely comment below. I'm always looking for new things. Please subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed the video, and we love hearing from you, so please comment below, and we'll see you again very soon. Bye. Oh my god, I've actually created a hair hat.